Hey guys, what's going on? Jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you one simple trick that you're able to edit your photos like a pro on your Samsung Galaxy devices. So you're able to go from an original image that looked like this and turn it into a masterpiece and finish it like this. Now, if you are brand new here at the channel of Jimmyispromo and you own a Samsung Galaxy device, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for future videos. And don't forget about that playlist tab on the very top to check out all the videos I've made so far for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. When it comes down to the camera of the Galaxy Note 9, there's no doubt in anybody's mind that the Galaxy Note 9 has the best camera that's on the market today. But what is something that you're able to do that makes all your photos stand out from the rest? Step number one is by heading inside your gallery and trying to figure out exactly what photo you would like to stand out. Now, this one here is a perfect prime example, as there is a big accented color that's inside this photo. So what you will want to do is on the very top right hand side, you do have an option for more options. You'll click on those three little dots and you'll head down to where it says Open in Photo Editor Pro. Now, the thing I like about this one is that these steps are super easy and it's something that's built inside of the phone. So first off, we will be playing with the tone. So once you hit on tone, this one is called spot color. Now, spot color is where if you basically hover or touch your S Pen or finger on the screen, you can see what you would like to highlight. Now, with this red being over here, this is the one that I will be doing. But just so you know, you don't have to press and hold your finger or S Pen on the screen. All you'd have to do is, again, hit on that tone, hit on spot color, and tap it once. And so this is where I'm going to make the reds kind of come out as an accent. But maybe I would also like to alter the color. So now you're able to change the hue if you would like. And this is how I was able to change it into this green color. Now, if you wanted to, you can also push it over into the other side where you can have a purple guitar. You can also have a blue one, which actually this turquoise green one, I kind of like this one over here. So once you go with this over here, if there is anything that you would like to either add or delete with spot color, you are able to add a little bit. You can also take away some of the colors, or you can even erase. So if back here you notice that there's a little bit more, maybe a reddish color, you are able to take it away. So this is the only thing that'll be accented. Now, one of the things you are able to do to kind of clean this up a little bit is if you go back to spot color, you are able to add more if you want to add more color, or you can delete some of the colors of what is standing out, or you can hit on the erase. Now, there's a little bit of green that kind of showed up back here because there's a little bit of red that was kind of showing. And so now you're able to clean it up a little bit. And maybe for the guitar, you only want to have the body down here be green and not everything else. So now you're able to take away this little piece here and make this only the very body over here on the very bottom to be that green color. Now, once you hit on that little check box and then you hit on save, now you have a saved image. But don't worry about it. You will also have your original, but this one will sit right next to it. Now let's head over to one more example so you can see a photo that has more colors to it. And so this one here is my Nintendo Switch. Here is my keyboard that I use. You can see there's a lot of different colors that's going on. Again, on the very top right hand side, hit on the more options, click on the Photo Editor Pro, and then this is where you will choose which colors you want to pop out. So with this one, I think it'd be kind of cool to pop out the color of green just to kind of make the screen kind of pop out, but you're going to see a little bit of green with that keyboard. So let's hit on tone, let's go to spot color, and then now I'm going to pop out the green. So this actually looks pretty cool. You can even see my little green icon right over here, but you know what? I'm going to go inside of here and I want to delete that. Now let's also go back and let's check out the hue. So, you know, when you're playing Mario and you're checking out all the different colors, you know, this is something that is going to look a little different and a little weird. Also, my keyboard in the back, you can see is changing. But you know what? I'm going to keep this one as a normal standard green. This looks pretty awesome. Now I'm going to hit on a little checkbox. So this is going to be pretty cool. This is the original, and this is what is able to make it pop out. Now you're able to make a lot of really cool artsy type of photos. You can do it with street signs. So if you check out a really cool image of a stop sign with some really cool background, or maybe those green signs letting you know what street you're on, those are also really good examples as well. If you have somebody playing soccer, you can pop out the colors of the soccer ball. There's so many different things you're able to do with this little trick, and anybody and everybody is able to do it. So again, you're able to take it going from this image to this image, and then you're also able to go from this standard image to this really cool pop out photo. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here. This very bottom left hand side, that red circle, that can subscribe you as well. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites, and outside of that, I'll see you guys later.